Hello friends, my name is Gupta and in this video I will show you how to use SQL Server from Docker. So what I'm doing here, I am creating a Docker instances of SQL Server. So what I have done, I have pulled the image already. So this will take and this will not pull any image any further from the server. So it will take a lot of time because I already have that image. So let's run it. So there is nothing fancy thing here. Simply accepting the license agreement. I'm providing the password that this will be default password. So SA will be user default username. If you try to connect it from your code or the SSMS, this will be the port. This will be the instance, and this will be the URL of the image that we are using. So you can see that this has provided a UID to us that we'll be using for identify that container that we have just created. So let's show you let me show you how we can use this thing. So this is the path uh, that define localhost. So 127.0.0.1 means localhost in Windows, and 1433 is the port that we have just defined. And if you want to define the port, any different port, you do just need to change this thing here. And let's connect. Now you can see that we are able to use this thing, and we don't have SQL Server on my machine. So if I run this thing, you will be getting something like this. That means that we are using this build created of May 20 to 2022. So if you are using this thing, you don't need to upgrade or things for any further. You just take a backup and restore again when you updating your server. So this way we can save a lot of time, and Docker container are just very easier to use and maintain. So this is a good thing. And if you have any question, comment below in the comment section, and I will reply it. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.